probably do a challenge with myself. I should do a challenge to see if I can hold my London accent. Yeah, if I put on the London accent, starting from right now, let's see how long I can last in the London accent for this video. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that as a challenge because my London accent, I personally think it's a bit A1 as a person who never really been to London, nor even grew up there, to say even been.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Welcome back to another video on my channel. I hope you are having a blessed day and everything is going great for you and you're being safe. I'm going to take this off because I don't need to have this on anymore. Actually, for the title of this video, you basically can tell my hair. I'm going to basically be showing people how I put my hair inside my hat. So I particularly picked this hat, or you could say this outfit, to put on my brown shirt by Vans. If you want to sponsor me, Vans, you can sponsor me. This is my shirt I have. And if you want to sponsor me, if anyone wants to sponsor me, you can sponsor me. Go ahead. I could take it. I will take it.
No, my bad. I'm sorry.
Like I said, I wanted to show people how I put my hair, all of my hair, as you can clearly see I have a lot of hair inside my hat, because I get asked this question quite frequently on Instagram, or all that hair inside your hat. I've done videos before on Instagram showing how to do it, but I wanted to just do like a quick tutorial on how to do it on YouTube itself. So enough chit-chattering, we're going to get into doing that, yeah mate? Alright, so now that we're at this part, we are in TV because I was going to record in front of my mirror, but me wrapping it from the side and getting it from the top, you wouldn't have really say get everything if I was in front of the mirror. So that's why I'm doing in front of the TV, so you can have a better view and a better like understanding of what I'm doing and how I'm wrapping the hair. Okay, so for the hair part, I like to first take these two shortest dreads. I would say shortest, like two shortest dreads, but the two sides of the shortest dread, because I don't want the short dreads getting wrapped with the long one, because therefore now it's going to be pulling the tension. And the reason why I'm even wrapping my hair in my hat is because it's less tension on my hair. So therefore, how you wrap it is a big part of the tension you're gonna be putting on your hair. So although when I say pull, don't be really pulling your hair. I'm just saying like slightly pull it, like gently, okay? So everything we're doing is with a gentle touch today. As I was saying, you take these two small dreads, I wrap them in the back, very gentle, very gentle. After I have that hair, I'm holding it with my right hand. I'm gonna take probably a handful and I'm just going to wrap that around. While I'm wrapping it around, I'm pushing up the hair because we're kind of making this like a barrier, a lock right here. I could say like a bridge, because once this is done, this is where everywhere else is going to be getting wrapped on a top or basically around. Another main thing too, when you're wrapping the first part of the dreads, you want to make sure you put it, I would say, above your edges. Don't put it really say on your edges directly, because sometimes when you wear your hat, after you put your hat on, you're going to say push it up, and you don't want your edges to say be pulling back, you know, when you're pushing your hat up, because you're gonna damage your edges, and you don't want damaged edges. I don't want damaged edges, so this is what I do. So this is my advice to you guys. So that's how I wrap the first part.
What's not clicking? What's not clicking?
There's times when...
So the next couple of steps I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take a couple few from the back and wrap them around to the front like that. I'm also looking at my laptop so I can see to get a better view. Just turn real quick. See how you guys see from the back how it is, top part. That's how I'm doing. So I'm just gonna take a couple more and wrap them around, and then when I get to a point where I'm going to explain. Okay, so at this point in time, I'm just going to explain this part. You guys might be seeing me stick it in. That's what I'm gonna say. So if you first wrap them around, and then whenever you get the chance to slightly stick them in, go ahead and do that, because you're now going to be having a better hold on the head, and it'll just be less pressure, as I was saying, on the head. That's the most important thing we like to have, is basically no pressure on top of the hair. This right now is very light, so I can move around, do this, that. So keep doing that. Our last couple apart, I'm just going to take the last couple of hairs. You can see just a little bit of hairs left. I'm just going to take a little 2 or 3 if you can, if you want to take 3, and wrap them around. Also too, it's fine if the hair is falling. Like, don't think, oh, it has to be a perfect circle or how I'm doing it. No, as long as it have a form where you can basically put it over the hat, and that's all that matters. Okay, so that's all I really say, like, is your main focus should be on. Not making it be like, okay, it has to be a perfect circle, because after you put it inside the hat, you're going to now form the actual circle if you want it to be like that. So what I'm doing, as I'm trying to show you guys in the back, what I'm doing is I'm just taking these 2, as I'm saying, and I'm kind of just wrapping them around, and I'm going to stick them up top in. So up top, like here, and instead of me sticking them in like at the side part, I'm just going to stick them up top too, because I'm going to show you why when I put the hat on, I want to have some hair there that is formed there. So you can even take it like that, like how I just took from the back. You can take it like that and wrap it around if you want to. This, that's fine. Like, it's your hair. Be free with it. Have fun. As long as it's like it's free of your head and there's no tension, and that's all that matters. I'm just showing you guys some of my techniques that I do where it's just less, you know, problem for me, and it's just more easier. Wow, look at that.
Did I lie? Did I lie? Did I?
So we're at the hat part now. I'm going to put the hat on, and it's going to be very simple and easy. What I like to do is like to take the back side of the hat like this, have my hand, well, I roll it up the hat like this, and then I gently place it on top of the middle part. That's why we made that kind of section in the middle, so when the hat go on, it can just be placed, and we put our hand there, and we gently bring them around. Now, I don't like to pull it down, especially for this type of hat. You can't mess up the form of the hair, and we don't want that. Spend all that time forming the hair, so you just want to gently bring it down, okay? Gently. And that's how you fold it, so when you're bringing it down, you can just unfold it, and it's already halfway down.
Okay.
So I'm gonna just finish reading Injustice. Okay, so we're back here. We're back at this point in time. Finished readjusting my hat. I'm probably not finished readjusting my hat because I didn't really say look at myself in the mirror to really get the best, you know, way how I want it to be. But you get the idea on how the hat should be and the hair should be inside the hat. Remember I was saying before, as you don't really want to say spend too much time focusing on really wrapping the hat and making, not the hat, but the hair, and making sure it's perfect circle, because when you put it inside the hat, now you can play around with the hair and readjust it, even by like, you know, 1 or 2 just do that, move it around to the side or lift it up, push it down. Like I said, after I finish this, I'm going to actually put it in how I want it to be. I just wanted to make this little short, simple DIY video for you guys, because like I said, people have been asking on how I, you know, put my hair in my hat, or how I just even start the way of doing that. So I wanted to just come and make a simple video for the people that was asking. If you guys want more DIYs in the future, comment below and let me know what type of video you guys want, because I have no problem making DIYs. I actually found this really fun and cool. I hope you enjoyed, and as always, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and also turn the notification bell so anytime I post you get notified right away. And as always, people, be safe, stay beautiful. Zabby out. Also, I forgot to add, I don't know when exactly I stopped doing the London accent, so yeah, I guess I failed that challenge. Still, anyway, have a blessed day. Bye!